Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we started exercise 5.6 word problems. In that I completed 6 word problems. Now I'm going to start the 7th one. Okay, let us start our class. See the 7th one now. In a farm there are 9 rows of trees. They given 9 rows of trees in a farm. In each row there are 52 trees. How many trees are there in the farm? Total 9 rows are there. They given 1 row trees. Number of trees in 1 row they given. Number of trees in each row. Number of trees in each row was given. It is nothing but 52. And they are asking us to find number of trees in 9 rows. Number of trees in 9 rows. It's nothing but 52 into 9. 52 into 9. So if you multiply this one, you will get the answer. Total how many trees are there in the form? So 52 into 9. 9 2s 80. 9 5s 45 plus 1 46. 468 trees. 468 trees. See the second one, Amma. 8th one. Old King Cole age was given. How many months old is he? They given his age in years and they are asking his age in months. So what is the age of old King Cole? Age of old King Cole. What is his age, children? His age is 99 years. Age of old King Cole is 99 years and they are asking us to find how many months is that in 99 years. Number of months in 1 year. 1 year contain how many months, children? 12 months. 1 year contain how many months? 12 months. Here they are asking 99 years contain how many months. So number of months in 99 years. So it's nothing but 99 into 12. If you multiply, you will get those many months is that old King Cole have. Okay, multiply it, Amma. 99 into 12. 12 lines 108. 10 left. Again 12 lines 108 plus 10. 108 plus 10. 118. So it's nothing but 1188 months was the age of old King Cole. Okay. See the next one, ma. 9th one. They are given cost of 1 pen and they are asking us to find cost of 253 pence. Cost of 1 pen was given. Cost of 1 pen was given. It is nothing but 7 rupees and they are asking us to find cost of 253 pence. So it's nothing but 253 into 7. So there's many rupees will be the cost of 253 pence. Nana, what is the cost of 253 pence? If you multiply 253 with 7 rupees, that means 1 pen cost 7 rupees. Na? Multiply with 7, you will get the answer. So 253 into 7. 7 3 is 21. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 17. It's nothing but 1771 rupees. Okay. See the 10th one, Nana. Each child in a class needs 7 exercise books. There are 32 children in a class. How many exercise books are needed? So, number of children in class was given. Number of children in a class. It's nothing but 32. Okay, number of exercise books need needed for one child. Needed for one child. Needed for one child. How many number of books was needed for one child? 7 books was needed for one child. But here they are asking us how many exercise books was needed for the total class. Total class means for those 32 children. So number of exercise books are needed. Number of exercise books are needed. Books needed for 32 children equal to 32 into 7. If you multiply, those many books are required. Okay, see that 32 into 7. 7 2s 14. 7 3s 21 plus 1 20. 224 books are required for 224 books was required for 32 children. Okay children, in the next this exercise was completed. Now I am going to start exercise 5.7. It is about multiplication of number with a 2-digit number. That means the multiplier is 2-digit number. Okay, let us start. They given one sum and they asked us to write in that model only 18 into 13 equal to, and they split 13 as 10 plus 3. They wrote 13 as 10 plus 3. So after splitting they wrote 18 into 10 plus 18 into 3. Okay, 18 tens 180, 18 3s 54, and they added those two and they wrote 234 as answer. This is the model they given for us for our easy processing. Okay, without calculating directly you can do like this easily. And they given here 16 into 15. They only split 16 into, they divided 15 as 10 plus 5 and they asked us to solve. Third one, 16 into 18. Fourth one, 18 into 22. Fifth one, 14 into 11. Okay, see the next numbers. See here 16 into 15. They splitted 15 as 10 plus 5. They wrote a 15 as 10 plus 5. So split it 16 into 10 plus 16 into 5. What is 16 tens amma? What is 16 tens? 160. What is 16 tens children? 160 plus 16 fives 80. 160 plus 80. 0. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 8 plus 6. 14. 1 plus 1 2. 240 is the answer. See the next one. They splitted here 18 as. They splitted here 18 as 10 plus 8. Okay, 10 plus 8. So you can write it as 16 into 10 plus 16 into 8. What is 16 tens children? 160. 68s 128. 128. Afterwards you have to add those two numbers. 8 plus 0 8. 6 plus 2 8. 1 plus 1 288 is the answer. See the next one, Amma. Fourth one here. What they wrote? 18 into 22. They split it as 20 plus 2. They written as 22 as 20 plus 2. So 18 into 20 plus 18 into 2. 18 into 20 means 18 2s 36. 18 20s. What is 18 20s children? 18 2s 36 na. 18 20s how much? 360 plus 18 2s 36. Add these two, 16 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 6, 9, and here hundreds place only 3. 396 is the answer. Okay, see the last one. 14 into 11. 14 into 11 can be written as 10 plus 11, 10 plus 1. So, they split it into 14 into 10 plus 14 into 1. 14 tens what? 14 tens 140 plus 14 ones 14. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And here 154 is the answer. Okay, ma? So, now this exercise 5.7 also completed, children. Next, we have to learn how to find the numbers in short method. That short method is multiplying the number with 2 digits only, without like this they don't split, and they do it directly. Okay, how it will be done I will explain you now. Exercise 5.8. Exercise 5.8. See the first one, multiply. Multiply by the short method. By the short method. Multiply by the short method. What the method they used, it will be discussed now. Okay. See that. First one 60 into 42. First one 60 into 42. 60 into 42. First you have to multiply this 2-digit number. Here see the numbers 4 and 2. You have to multiply with 2 numbers. So when you are going to multiply like that, first you have to multiply with the ones place digit. What is ones place digit, children? 2. So first you should multiply with 2 zeros 0, 2 6 1. Now you have to put the 0 or the cross mark down of ones place digit in the answer. Ones place digit means 0 na? So 4 zeros 0, 4 6 24. Now here you can put the 0 or cross mark anything. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. You have to add these two. See the second one I will explain you now. 79 into 54. Second one 79 into 54. Okay. See here 9 fours. What is 9 fours? 9 fours 36. First you should multiply with 4. Now we are multiplying with 4. 9 fours 36. Write either side of that question. First write ones place digit 6. Cross it and write ones place digit. And then 4 sevens 28. 4 sevens 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 29 30 31. So write that 31. Next you have to put the 0 at ones place digit. Put that. By giving cross mark if you keep means we are doing the second step. That means tens place digit we are multiplying. 5 nines 45. 5. After crossing you have to write this number. Next 5 sevens 35 and this 4. 35 after 36, 37, 38, 39. After getting like this you have to add these two numbers, 2 lines. Okay, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Write 2 here and 1 here, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, like that you have to write. See the third one. 68 into 27. 68 into 27. First we are multiplying with 8. 8, 9, 8, 7, 8. First we are multiplying with 7. 7 8s 56. So write ones place digit 6 here. 6, 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5. 7 6 are 42 plus 5. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Write 47 here. And then put 0 at down of 6. Now 2 8 16. Write 6 here. 2 4 6, 7 plus 6, 30, 4 plus 4, 8, 1836 is the answer. Okay children, in the next class I will continue exercise 5.8. Okay children, till then goodbye.